All right, so we got a Whirlpool Maytag washer, and I'm going to show you how to replace the bushing. The bushing is underneath the wash plate, and we're going to pull the drum out, and we're going to show you how to drive out the old bushing. Now, how do you know when your bushing is bad, when it needs to be replaced? Now, pay attention to these things, right? Your suspension rods, when they're bad, they will act very similar to a bad bushing. Now, the bushing is part of your tub hub underneath. Okay, once this is out, then we can remove the drum, pull the drum up after that agitator or wash plate, and then I'll show you what the bushing looks like. That's what it looks like, and what happens over time, the insert wears out and the drum wobbles. So first, check your suspension rods. You should be able to push down one finger, and if it moves, the rods are bad. 2 fingers. Push down as hard as you can. Now use your palm now. Okay? It comes back. It doesn't slop around. These rods are fine. Your other thing you want to do, you want to grab drip rail, and now you want to move the inner drum slowly, not hard. See that movement? When you have a big load in, or at least a good size load, and the washer is spinning, it's going to make or multiply the shaking even more, and the rods cannot smoothen that out because it's not a part of the rods. It's not designed to do that. So we're going to remove the wash plate, and we're going to pull the drum out, and then we'll jump to this. I do have videos on removing the drum. I will link it if you need help on that. Also, video on removing the wash plate. All right, so let's get it in. All right, so we're going to be removing the old bushing, and we're going to be installing a new one. Now, the exact size, that's the bushing. There, to determine your bushing, I think this is 1 1/8. Okay, you want it to be right on it, but not over the insert. Okay, so that's pretty close. This one is a little bit smaller, 1 1/16, which is what I like. Okay, it's perfect fit. You do not want it past the grooves on the outside because you don't want to damage those. So you want to be on the inside. Totally. Okay, so this is perfect. Anything smaller might not work as well. All right, guys, so I'm going to have another video on the actual tub installation. It's a little tricky because you do need to use the tub hub to help get this thing installed properly. All right, so I will also have that video. I will have another video on the actual tub installation, tricks on getting it seated properly. This video is only showing you how to do the hub itself. All right, so a couple things to note. So these are the bushings that you would get, and this is the new one, the old one. Now, if you use a bottle top, this is a Sartega and water bottle, insert it, fits nicely. Okay, it's the same. Up here, I guess, is a little bit larger, just a little bit. Goes through. Okay, no problem. Here's the old one that we pressed out or pushed out, banged out. The bottom's not too bad. Now this is the portion at the bottom of the drum. Now, if we slide it through, it's still tight, still snug. As we go up here, it's super tight, and then it gets really loose. You can see the space, a lot of space right there on the top, and that's why you get the wobble, because up here is worn out. So one thing I've noticed though, getting this on, you have to make sure you keep your old tub hub on. If your tub hub is not on, this is very difficult to slide on, and it's going to push up. So as you push your drum or basket down, your insert will want to just walk out. So keep that in mind when you install one of these. All right, they're very tight, so might even need to be pressed on. That's what I've seen with a couple of them. Very, very tight. All right, match the groove. Use your old one, tap it in. All right, fully seated. All right, guys, that's how you do that. Job is done. Drum is nice, smooth. Now you remember now, we held this just like this, and we would push the basket nice and tight. No movement at all. There's a clip back here that's loose. There you go. So super tight. No play at all. All right.